True elephant in this room right now here is the question of how we shall adequately fund the 246,391 candidates of the 2024 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education examination who qualified to join university. It means that we have an extra 45,258 students who scored C+ and above compared to the previous cohort.
The new funding model may have had its challenges, but was it all bad? Because if you look at the universities, they were able to get more resources, as the PS has said, from 44 billion to around 82 billion. That is almost double. So the funding was sending more money to universities. By us saying that it is not, it's unconstitutional, means the whole funding cannot operate.
We want to ask, as all of us, as Kenyans, as we move forward, let's all of us get the solutions to the problems that we have now. Of course, from what we have received from universities and from the ministry, the new funding model has done better than the old one, the one that which we had. If we have doubled